Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Lotus. MMSI number 134792745. Call sign Mike, Charlie, Lima, Echo. In position 045 degrees, 19.5 minutes north, 122 degrees, 59.4 minutes east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 4 people on board, including 2 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Romer, MMSI number 292751661. Call sign Lima, Kilo, Sierra, Bravo. In position 037 degrees, 43.6 minutes north, 122 degrees, 56.7 minutes west. I have problem with engine. I require tag assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All ship, all ship, all ship in area China Strait Passage. This is motor vessel Rukia, MMSI number 296132247. Call sign Alpha, Delta, Romeo, Hotel. Dangerous wreck located in position 3 nautical mile south of China Strait Passage. Over.